Hi guys, good morning. Come along with me for a short ride, giving the bike a warm up, and let's make a nice moto vlog out of it. Hope you enjoy. I've got my half helmet and I'm not wearing the GoPro on the helmet, but I think looking at you from this angle is also fine. So hope you enjoy the ride. Come along. So guys, just been biking around. Everywhere is so peaceful and green, it's amazing. The road behind me is so empty and nice. We got the main highway that side, but I'm on some of the side roads. Come along, let's keep riding. Trying something different without the Motovlog kit. I wanted a half helmet just to be more comfortable. So let's keep rolling and I will keep showing you different aspects of the road. Guys, I'm in the wilderness, just chilling down. It's all forest area here. Very beautiful road. Just stopped here. There's some cars parked behind me, so decided to stop here. So this helmet has an up and down option. You can reduce the sunshade as well as this. The only issue is it's open here. So out here in the forest, guys, it is so green and beautiful. That's the bike. So there are so many green areas in the US to bike and cycle and walk and trek. I mean, just look here, the bike is absolutely with nature. So that's how we like it, right? Peace and quiet. And when you talk about viruses with a lot of people around, you make sure that you keep safe distance. So I like to do my rides a little far from where people are. So that's the shade. You can bring it down. It's a bit sunny. I like to be far from people, especially with the virus going on. There are some BMW group rides which I want to join in summer. And if I go on those, I will definitely take the camera along. So it's just great to be here and chilling. It's a Wednesday afternoon. Need to get back home now, continue with my work, and also continue with my responsibilities of seeing to my kids and everything else. So just gonna start and head back home. I tell you, with this lockdown, it's very tough to make videos, but I'm trying my best, guys. So please support by giving a like, share and subscribe. And please check out all the other videos I made in this week. I did a lot of work to make sure I did a video every day. Pretty busy life with kids and work and everything else, but I made a commitment to keep YouTube active. I may reduce some of the videos going forward, but so far I've been trying my best. So please join this journey with me and you will see a lot more of the bike, the cars, everything else. Alright guys, stay safe and see you. Bye. Such a beautiful day, guys.